Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm so excited because it is OWLCRATE time. We are gonna unbox this baby on here live. Well, not really live, but unbox it here on camera. Sorry for my lack of a great presence here on my face. It is 6 p.m. and I've had this makeup on since 8:30 this morning, so. These OWLCRATE boxes, like obviously only my second one to film, but I'm pretty sure they're always going to be filmed like after work because these always come on a weekday and I like to film them as fast as I can because first of all, I'm excited to see what's in this. And second of all, I want to get it out for you guys, for those of you that want to see what's in this. This is my second OWLCRATE box ever. And I just want to say that I think it's worth it so far. The first OWLCRATE box I got, I really wanted to see like, is this worth it? And I think, like personally, I really liked what was in the box last month. I haven't read the book yet, but it is on my TBR for the next couple of months. I just have so much on my TBR coming up now, so. I'm gonna unbox this though. Let's just get into it. I don't know anything that's in it. Let me tell you the theme as soon as I open it up because I'm too lazy to check. I'm pretty sure the theme is the dark side. I'm really hoping that there's some Dark Mark Harry Potter merch in here. Really crossing my fingers for that. They did show us I think 2 things already that are gonna be in the box. Like they sent us little spoilers via email. But let's open up this baby. So I don't wanna see, I'm not looking what's on the back here, but this is the little, okay, I'm gonna put it here so I can't see it. This is the spoiler card. Looks like a freaking cute girl flirting with some like demon dude. I'm kind of here for it, not gonna lie. It's like a little boarding school style thing. Kind of cute. All right, let's get into it. So the first thing, it looks like it's a, oh my gosh, it's a pop socket. Plenty of monsters knew how to play at human being. Let me open this up. I already have a phone ring, but I think this will come in handy when I want a pop socket instead. That's such a good idea. So this is the pop socket. Pretty nice. That's a freaking good idea. I don't know what it's from yet, and I'll have to read the spoiler card at the end of everything, but the next thing is a enamel pin, which they send in every single box ever, if I'm correct. And it looks like this, and it says, iron must be tested, and I don't know what that's for yet, again. I think, though, that the enamel pin almost always has something to do with the book they send, which I don't have yet, so. Well, I haven't looked at it yet. I have it, clearly, it's in my possession, but I haven't looked at it yet. Okay, the next thing, which they did send us an email as like a little spoiler, were these 6 of Crows socks. Now, if you know anything about me, I love socks, so I'm always wearing socks, except for actually I'm currently not wearing socks because I'm hot, actually. But we just turned on the AC, so that means I'm about to be cold. Anyways, there are 6 of Crows socks. I haven't read 6 of Crows, but it is on my TBR. It is probably one of the next 5 books I'm going to read, or less, probably the next 3 books. And I am very excited for it. I just finished the Shadow and Bone series, which I didn't like, but I know a lot of people that didn't like Shadow and Bone still loved 6 of Crows. But these are these cool socks. They have like a crow on it, a knife, a gun, and then it says 6 of Crows on the bottom, red and black. I think I'm definitely going to get some use out of these. Your girl loves xoxx. Oh my gosh, and I forgot that they were going to send us something to put all of our enamel pins on. So let me show you. This will be super awesome to hang up in my little booktube / beauty room area. And you can just put all your enamel pins on it. So I've got this one that I got this month, and then I also have this one, which is inspired by 4 Dead Queens that I can put on here and then hang up in this room. That's so cool. Okay, so the other thing they did kind of spoil without actually telling us was that there was going to be a scarf inspired by the Darkling in Shadow and Bone, which I told you I did just read. And I'm gonna be 100% honest, I will never wear this ever. So I don't know what I'll do with it, but it's like just this big scarf. Well, actually it's really lightweight scarf, perfect for summer if you do like scarves. But you can see like all the stuff on there that is representative of the series. So we have like the antlers, the sea monster, whatever it's called, the sea whip, like Darkling in the sun, some summoner, all that jazz. Like it's a really cool scarf, but I think if you really like Shadow and Bone, you would really like this. And maybe if scarves are your thing, you would really like this, but hey, whatevs. So we got Oh my gosh, cool. I should give this to my sister because I haven't read this yet. So we got this little booklet. It's an excerpt of the finale book, and I actually bought the limited edition finale OWLCRATE, even though I haven't read the Caraval series yet, but that is also on my upcoming like next 5 books to read. So I will have all 3 books, which is nice because I already have Caraval and Legendary, and then I'll have finale, and then I can just read through them. Probably late May is when I'll get to this, but anyways, this is a excerpt from the series, and my sister has read all these. So maybe I will loan this to her to read and then steal it back from her when, well, not steal it back from her, get it back from her. Let's see, the next thing, it looks like a journal or something. It says, this witch had been crafted from the darkness between the stars, Sarah J. Maas. Oh my gosh, wait, is this like Throne of, well, obviously it's Throne of Glass, but is this like Manon? So it's this cool little journal, which will definitely come in handy. I don't have like any other paper around the house. It's like as soon as you get out of high school or college, you like don't ever have like extra paper or like lined paper lying around the house. So this will be really helpful, and this is really cool. It's like really sturdy, and this is something you could like bring on trips with you to like jot down stuff. And I'm excited to get into this. And I think the last item is the book, which I still haven't seen yet. I covered it up with the thing, but let's shut up. I'm gonna be so excited if this is the Wicked Saints. This is the Wicked Saints! I'm so excited. I've been wanting this book, but do you see this version? Okay, I'm gonna put up a picture of the like normal version right here, which is actually also stunning. Like the book is stunning, but I've really been wanting this, and I've been trying to limit myself from buying books. Trying and failing, but I've been trying. So with that being said, I have not bought this yet. Do you see this cover, black and red? Like this is so much darker than the cover right here. Wicked Saints, I'm so excited. Okay, so it says, some stories are so beautiful, so brutal that they claw at your heart and refuse to let go. Welcome to the world of Wicked Saints, an epic, passionate novel that you won't soon forget. Prepare to meet a girl named Nadia who hears the whispers of gods in her head, a prince surrounded by desperate suitors and deadly assassins, a monster hidden behind pale, tortured eyes, and a smile that cuts like a knife. The paths of these 3 characters become entwined during a centuries-long war filled with sinners and saints, magic and mystery, a star-crossed romance that threatens to tip the scales between the dark and the light forever. First of all, I love how it has the printed, like, I don't know what the definition of these are, but like these pinned pages right here. The book is red. It's so pretty. I love when things are black and red. Let them fear her. Oh my gosh, yes. Okay, I'm so excited. I was like thinking, okay, it talked about like the dark mark and wicked stuff. I'm like, okay, we might get this in this spot. And we did. Anyways, we also got a special note from the author, which I like. I think those are really cool, and I'm just gonna keep it inside the book. That's what I did last month with the special note from the author last month. And it looks like there was one more thing in here, but it has to do with the Wicked Saints. So let me open it up. Yes, so it looks like it's the map. Sorry, the brightness changed, there we go. The map to the book, which is really cool. This is really cool to add to my walls here in this little booktube / beauty room that I have going on next to my pin holder thingy. So then it gives you this little booklet here which talks about things. Oh, let's go over the spoiler card though really fast. Here's another side-by-side comparison if you're curious. The other one has like white and blue, and this one's just black and red fully. Okay, so here is our spoiler card. Let's see. Join the ranks of the dregs by wearing your exclusively licensed Six of Crows socks from Out of Print, which is the company called Out of Print. Featuring artwork from the collector's edition of the book, you'll be right at home in the streets of Ketterdam. And then it says, get nice and cozy with the Darkling while wearing your exclusive scarf. Inspired by the Grishaverse, this beautiful design was created by Bookmark Tattoos. Display your amazing pin collection on this dark, mysterious pin banner. And basically you can just put all your pins on there. It says, write down all your evil plans in this gorgeous hardcover notebook featuring a quote inspired by Manon, I was right, from the Throne of Glass series. And it was illustrated by Stella Bookish Art. Really cool. This is really cool. Use your Vicious inspired phone holder. Oh, it's from Vicious. I do remember them saying that they were going to include something from Vicious. I have not read Shades of Magic. I do have, or Vicious. No, it's Vicious, not Shades of Magic. I have not read Vicious yet. I do plan on picking those up soon. I probably will read A Gathering of Shadows and Shades of Magic before I get to that one, but I am really excited to get to this. But that's really cool. Okay, and then it says, if you're looking for a read that is deliciously dark, deviously romantic, and deceptively brutal, look no further. And then it's talking about Wicked Saints. The pin is inspired by Wicked Saints, as I was saying. I think almost always the enamel pin is inspired by the book. So I think this was a fantastic box. I was actually so excited for this book, and like, this cover is stunning. This is an OWLCRATE exclusive cover. I don't know if I mentioned that before. I know I showed you the differences between the two covers, but this specific cover is exactly specific to OWLCRATE. That came out all wrong. But it is very exclusive to OWLCRATE. You can't get this anywhere else except for OWLCRATE's website, and I think that is really, really awesome. It is so beautiful, and I'm so excited to get things started. Now, if you are curious, the May box, now if you don't want to know, I mean, if you are an OWLCRATE member, they send you this in the email, so I'm not like really spoiling anything, but if you don't want to know, skip over the next couple of seconds. But the theme for the May box is an epic adventure, and then it says every May box will include an exclusive item designed by KDP Letters. So yeah, got some stuff going on here, an epic adventure. That sounds really cool. I'm really here for that. This card particularly is inspired by Lord of the Rings for sure, because we have Gandalf, we have 3 hobbits, we have Legolas, we have Gimli, we have Aragorn. Like, we got everybody. You guys know how much I love Lord of the Rings. I got my Legolas Funko Pop up there. Anyways, I loved this box. I'm so happy. I was so excited for the Wicked Saints, and now I have it. I don't even have to go to Barnes & Noble's and buy my own copy. This is so exciting. I love everything that came in this, and I 100% think OWLCRATE is worth it. This box was amazing. I'm so thrilled beyond belief. Obviously, I'm not sponsored or anything by OWLCRATE. This isn't sponsored in the slightest. I paid for this box with my own money, but I just wanted to, I like doing this unboxing style video, and I wanted to let you guys know if I thought it was worth it, and I totally do. I'm so excited for May's box, and I'm very excited for my Caraval finale box. So I guess I'll get 2 boxes in May, but I'm mainly excited for the May box because I haven't read Finale or Caraval yet, but you know what I mean. I'm gonna wrap up this video though, because we've been talking for 17 minutes, and I gotta edit down this footage. Ugh, I just love OWLCRATE so much. Anyways, if you guys are new here, I'd love to have you subscribe, join the family if you'd like to. I'd love to just bring the family in for a big hug, and I want you to be a part of that hug, you know what I mean? Also, if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. But yeah. Okay guys, I'm gonna let you guys go. Have a great morning, noon, evening, day, night, whenever it happens to be that you're watching this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!